Welcome back to Escape the Everyday. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at the Pennefather River, located north of Weipa, and see what fishing it has to offer.
This is in
Pennefather Beach.
River.
7 k's from once you get here.
Yeah.
But it took us, I think it was 64 k's from the Shell service station at Weipa to get here, which took an hour.
Yep, that's in.
Oh yeah, see if we can see some sea turtles.
And catch a fish.
Always ends the same when it was me and you. But every time I need somebody new, it's like deja vu. I swear they sound the same. It's like they know my skin. Every word they say sounds just like him. And it goes like this: we'll get in your car and you'll need to kiss me. We'll talk for hours and lie on the backseat. And then one bright the night when everything changes, you won't reply and we'll go back to strangers.
Welcome back, everybody. Where are we today?
Pennefather.
Pennefather. How's the fishing going, dear? What have we caught so far? Without swearing? Not much.
We only had one. I only put my rod in the water. It was a late start today because
Anyway,
it was just
a late start. It was
so we got
further.
here, Milly did a shit in the freaking.
Milly had a
yourself.
diarrhea in the dog box, so we had to clean that out, and then that took a while.
And then we had to rig up everything, and then we had to get here, and yeah. Anyways, so we're here at Pennefather.
But this is the setup so far. So we've got a little rod here, 1 hook, 2 hook to a swivel that we're going to float and bait out. And yes, you're the dirty little dog. But we'll see how we go.
Kade's got a contraption here.
Okay, that's how it's going to look. So imagine that's your drone, the bottom of the drone. That's our swivel. That's going to be our float. And then when I pull the line, release. What do you reckon?
We'll see if it works. So Kade's first bait that he put out got taken instantly. Let's see what the next one does. Alright, Kade's on. I was halfway through doing something that you don't want to know.
Not real big.
Oh, that doesn't matter.
I'm just not fighting just yet, one or the other.
That's good.
No, it's not real big.
Doesn't matter. It's not taking out any line.
No, not yet. I think it might be coming this way. Just there. The old drone fishing.
That was the
There it
fourth.
is. Oh, it's putting up a bit more fight now. Oh,
Where is it? Oh, just there. Oh yeah, he wants to go under the reef. Oh, what is that? It's a shark. It's a shark.
dang it!
Oh, you caught him by the tail.
You're kidding.
I'm not kidding. Oh, you're joking.
Come all this way to catch a shark.
Oh, Oh, well, now we know what was taking the bait. You hooked him in the back.
You wouldn't read about it.
Oh, you dog.
Come here. As if I hooked him in the back.
You
like
hooked him
that.
in the back. Hang on, I'll hold this. And you get it out.
Did you get a close up of how he's hooked?
Nah.
Quick, come and get a close up.
Well, there.
Oh, he's got another hook in his mouth already. Was it filming?
Yeah.
Poor little guy, he's already got one, and that's how I hooked him. Just through the back.
Oh, oh,
Mate, when I get it out, you couldn't make this stuff up. There we go. Whew. How about that? And put him back.
oh, yeah, he's missing a fin. Yeah. Oh, no, he's... Oh, cranky.
I don't want to pick him up and lose a finger.
Oh, God.
There you go, mate.
He's like, holy, that was an adventure.
Live action! There he goes.
Well, there's no fish, so there's a shark around.
Oh. Wonder if that's the one that has been taking the bait or not.
Mm.
But that took both.
Well, it wasn't even hooked, it was on the back.
Wait up. Wait a minute.
Wait a damn minute.
He bit me other hook.
Oh, no.
Dang.
Damn sharks. Yeah,
all
clean off.
I can't believe that hooked him in the back. Well, we'll go rig up and try again. Due to the large amount of sharks in the area, we decided to pack up, move to the mouth of the Pennefather River, where, surprise, surprise, we also caught nothing.
Quick, 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 where's Dad? So many shells. Look at them all. And poor Millie doesn't like this weather. She's not adjusting real well.
Make sure there's no crocodiles.
Yeah, look at all these shells. Hey!
Come on.
So I saw some swirls in the water as Kade was driving, and I said, "Pull up, we're fishing."
So if we catch something,
So if we catch something, it's all on me. And if we don't catch anything, it's on Kade because he sucks. Well, it's almost 3 o'clock, I think. And we've caught a shark, lost a soft plastic, lost a hook and sinker,
got sunburned feet.
got sunburnt. And I reckon the GoPro is just bad luck because we never seem to catch anything.
Yeah, we'll go with that. Blame the camera. I catch heaps off camera.
What do you guys, like, we hear a lot of stories about people catching fish here at Weeper and Cape York and Pennefather, but let us know your fishing stories. Did you catch a fish here on the beach? What did you use?
We need to buy a boat.
Yeah, let us know. So we'll give it a few more hours and yeah, I reckon that'll be us.
Yeah.
All right.
We got to get off the beach yet too.
Yeah, we'll be right. Well, it was a short and sweet film episode today because
We didn't catch anything.
we caught a shark and that was about it.
Didn't even hook it in its mouth though. We caught it by the tail. Does that count as catching it?
let us know. Yeah. I don't really. We're still in good spirits. We had a good day. Bad days fishing better than a good day at work, isn't that?
That's the same, but we've had a lot of bad days fishing lately, so I prefer a good day at work.
So, yeah, we'll just
get out of here before the storm hits. Yeah,
we'll see you in the next episode, which might be the telly track.
Yeah.
So stick around.